Is your home fireproof? October is National Fire Safety Month. Each year, a campaign is run to raise awareness about the importance of fire safety in our homes and in the workplace. While fire incidents can take a tremendous emotional and financial toll due to tragic injuries, loss of lives, and property damages, there are home improvement solutions to significantly help reduce the risk of fire. Here are some tips to improve fire safety at home. Declutter. Remove flammable materials such as cardboard, paper, wood scraps, and aerosol cans or other storages of chemical substances that can easily catch fire. Check that fire extinguishers and fire blankets are in place. Make sure exit paths and emergency equipment access are clear at all times. Check fire and smoke detectors. Early warning and fire detection systems can mean the difference between life and death. Installing fire and smoke detection devices at all levels of your home is worth the cost it takes to keep your home and family secure from fire hazards. Make sure all installations conform to fire codes and standards. Schedule a fire safety check. As a responsible homeowner, keeping your home hazard-free of fires is most important. One of these tasks that can save a life is arranging for a fire safety check with a professional. Following these simple tips can help prevent house fires, keep your family safe, and enjoy your home for years to come.